14 September 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. Subhash Kamnath has been elected as the chairman of the Board of Governors of the Advertising Standards Council of India or ASCI. Kamnath, who was serving as the ASCI Vice Chairman, will replace Rohit Gupta, President, Sony Pictures Networks. Advertising Standards Council of India was founded in 1985. Advertising Standards Council of India headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next. A no question hour resolution was passed this morning to mark the beginning of the Parliament's 18-day monsoon session on Monday. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh suggested that the 0 hour can be used to question the government. Next. The clinical trials of AstraZeneca vaccine was halted recently due to some safety reasons in the United Kingdom when one of the volunteers reported unexplained illness in his body after taking the vaccine. After the safety review, the Oxford and his partner drug company said in a separate statement that the clinical trial will resume. Next. BJP has decided to observe September 14 to 20 week as Seva Sapath to celebrate the 70th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 17, 2020. The Bharatiya Janata Party President JP Nadda on September 40, 2020 launched a week-long campaign called Seva Sapath to celebrate the 70th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 17. Next. Germany's shift towards the new India-Pacific strategy comes as Europe expressed concerns over China's track record on human rights and Germany's economic dependence on the Asian country. Germany, a major diplomatic partner of China, has decided to shift its focus to building stronger partnerships with democratic countries in the Indo-Pacific region to promote the rule of law. This move will serve a major blow to China. Next. The Indian government is considering emergency authorization of COVID-19 vaccination so that it is made available at the earliest to those in high-risk groups such as senior citizens and people working in high-risk settings. The COVID-19 vaccine may be ready by the first quarter of 2021, as per Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. The minister, though, stated that no date has been fixed yet for the launch of vaccine in India. Next. The Uttar Pradesh Special Security Force, that is UPSSF, will be allowed to conduct searches and arrests without warrants if it is sure about the crime. The Uttar Pradesh state government announced on September 13, 2020 that a special force will be constituted to protect courts, airports, administrative buildings, metros, banks, and other government offices. Next. Prime Minister Modi, in his address during a conclave on school education in 21st century, highlighted critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, and communication as the essential skills for students in present times. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 11, 2020 addressed a conclave virtually on school education in 21st century under the new education policy, that is NEP 2020. Next. Actor Sonu Sood, in a tweet, requested Odisha Chief Minister Shri Navin Patnaik to help cancer-stricken young Odia girl from Bargarh. Next. Today, that is September 14, is also celebrated as Hindi Divas throughout the nation.